Hello everyone, hope you're doing really great. In this video, we are going to talk upon an important concept of life, that is to do things before they need to be done. It means anything can happen anytime. Life is so unpredictable, so you should always be prepared. Do things before they need to be done. Do not dig a well when you're thirsty. You may end up dying of thirst. Here I want to ask you a question. What will happen if you fall sick before the exam और नाइट बिफोर एग्जाम? क्या होगा अगर आप एग्जाम के दौरान बीमार हो जाओ या एग्जाम की एक रात पहले बीमार हो जाओ? दिस इज वॉट एग्जैक्टली हैपेंड विथ मी. When I was giving my CA final examination, I fall sick. I had a sore throat, I had a high fever and lot of body pain. After my third paper audit, I fall sick. So I had to go through all the process of blood test, medicines, injections. Doctor had given me a lot of medicines and he asked me to take rest. Now tell me, how is it possible to take rest before the CA final examination? I cried a lot. Why this is happening to me? I prepared so well. I had a lot of hard work. Why? But then I took a rest of one day. I had 3 days gap between the audit and law examination. So I took 1 day rest and then I studied for 2 days. But as you know, law portion is very vast. I was unable to complete the syllabus in 2 days because I had planned a revision of 3 days. So end moment I left 2-3 chapters comparing weightage wise and I went in the examination. I gave the exam. When I saw the paper, there were 2-3 questions from those chapters. But I was able to attempt it. And you know, I got 59 in law. Now you know how it was possible? Because I studied, I planned it properly and I studied before examination. I was not relying on those 3 days. My mother always told me that do not wait till the last moment. Keep studying, keep revising. Last moment पे कुछ भी हो सकता है. So that's what I want to tell you. Do not procrastinate, do not keep delaying. Study, revise. Do not shift today's work on tomorrow. Study regularly, revise regularly and make your notes in such a way that you will be able to revise in that short span of 1.5 day. That is 20 hours. Now how 20 hours? After exam 4 hours, on the next day 12 hours and then 4 hours before examination. So this is how we get 20 hours before exam. So your notes should be prepared in such a way that you should be able to cover all the chapters in that 20 hours. Before exam, make a timetable. Allocate your time in such a manner that for a particular chapter you are going to give 1 hour, or for small chapters you are going to allocate 40 minutes, 45 minutes. This timetable should be ready. Then only you will be able to revise everything in that 20 hours. And before exam, keep few days in your hand. कुछ भी हो सकता है. तुम बीमार हो सकते हो या तुम्हारे किसी क्लोज वन का शादी आ जाए and you may have to attend it. What will you do अगर तुम्हारे किसी सिबलिंग का शादी हो या तुम तुम्हारे किसी फेवरेट पर्सन को लूज कर दो? What you will do that time? You may regret. तुम अपना अटेम्प्ट स्किप कर दोगे? Please do not do that. पहले से ही कुछ दिन हाथ में रख के चलो. So this Monday I want to tell you that do things before they need to be done. Be always prepared and do not procrastinate. Thank you for watching the video. And if you find it useful, please comment in the comment box below. For any help, query, doubt session, I'm always there. You can contact me through the details given in the description below. All the best for your preparations. Prepare well. Thank you. All the best.